Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and follow my page or subscribe to my YouTube channel and also tap on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So today we'll be talking of a lot of things involving making a page or being a vlogger. So if you're interested to know more about that, stay tuned. So if you're a newbie in vlogging or creating content and you have no idea how to earn through Facebook, so listen up and listen well because I'll be giving you 10 tips and even bonus tips on how to earn through your Facebook page. Number one on my list is create the page. Of course, if you want to earn, you need a Facebook page, a Facebook business page, so that you can earn in the future when you've already reached the threshold needed to monetize your Facebook page. And when you're creating your Facebook page, please take note or try to remember why you are creating a Facebook page. What is the main purpose that you are creating that Facebook page? What's your purpose? Okay, so for me, my purpose in creating a Facebook page is because I want to create content. I want to travel. I want to go underwater. I want to vlog about beauty products because I want to be an ambassadress of beauty products. Mao gyud ako goal sa una. I will review products, balag ako pa'y mo palit at first because I know in the future, ang mga products na mismo mugukod na ko, sila na mismo muhatag sa mga produkto. Maon ako mindset sa una, guys. Shout out JMT Mindset. Okay? So, maon mo na number one, pinaka-importante. Know what your passion is and create that Facebook page. That is number one. Number two, consistently upload. Now, mo ni ang weakness sa uban vloggers. They cannot create content consistently. One problem is they cannot create at least one content per week kay daghan sila reason, busy sila, whatsoever. Guys, please know, I am a mother, I am a wife, I'm taking care of the family, I also have a job at night, but I still make time to create content because again, it is my passion and again, I have that goal in mind because I want to earn and I want to reach this specific goal na one day I'll be financially free from obligations. So, na ako'y laing source of income. So, mauna guys. So, what is your goal? Mauna siya ha? So, consistently upload. Ako, I don't really follow a specific schedule. Some vloggers, they follow a schedule na every Wednesday lang sila mag-upload or every MWF. So, it actually varies per content creator, guys. So, wala dyan magpugos ni mo anang dapita. For me, kung kutob sa akong ma-content, kutob sa akong ma-edit, kutob sa akong ma-upload, ako dyan na i-upload it. So, because I don't want to think of a lot of things. Because each day comes, a new client comes in, and hanap ko problema ko, hanap ko i-edit, hanap ko i-upload doon, ana gani. So, ako real time yun akong upload, guys. So, you can, if you notice in my page, walay specific schedule gi-follow ang akong uploads, okay? So, that's number two, consistently upload. Number three, invite your friends to follow and invite reactors to follow your page. At first, it will be very difficult to encourage people to follow you. Kay again, small time pa man ka. Gamay pa kayo mga tao ni follow nimo, dili pa sila mutuo nimo. Wala pa kay credibility kayo, di ba? So, the first few people who will support you will be your close friends, will be your family, the smallest circle near you, mga friends, relatives, and families. Diha na mo abot ang mga followers na strangers when the time comes na dako na imong following, na ang kay credibility na na-stabilize. Also, make sure that when you're uploading videos in your Facebook page, kay kung ang imong goal jud is to monetize your page, it's a lot easier to monetize pages with videos. And take note, at least 3-minute videos or until 8-minute videos, nindot na siya i-monetize, guys. And if you're planning to post only photos, mostly lisod na siya i-monetize. Kay threshold man good sa Facebook pages are 10,000 followers. We'll get to that later on. And 600,000 minutes. So I will suggest, if you have a Facebook page, go upload videos at least 3 minutes long. At least. Okay? So I usually make videos, ako ang target is 8 minutes. There will be a time wherein naanay mo react sa imong mga videos. You can click on that in Meta Business Suite. I will try to include a photo here later on. I-click nimo ana sa mga nang react sa imong mga post. You will see the word invite if wala pa na sila ni-like or follow sa imong page. So you can tap on that invite para madaghan imong followers if they accept that invite button. Okay? And then next would be reach the threshold of 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes. Mauna kinalisuran, guys. If you try to compare, YouTube, ang needed rana sa YouTube is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours ba to? Yeah, I think. 4,000 hours? Nakalimot na ko kay dugay na monetize ako YouTube good. Basta ang sa Facebook, mas lisod siya i-monetize because you need 10,000 followers and 600,000 minutes watched within 90 days. So within 3 months, dapat 600,000 minutes ang gi-watch sa inyo sa imuhang viewers. Okay? Next, motto ko na mention ganina is aim for videos that is minimum of 3 minutes, maximum of 8. Muna usually because if you reach more than 15 minutes, mabore na ang imuhang mga viewers, guys, and layo na sila, di na kayo sulaganhan mo tanaw. So, muna ang gina-recommend at least 3 minutes, maximum of 8 minutes for videos uploaded in Facebook. Okay, next, for Facebook videos, you get more attention when it comes to portrait videos. This video that I'm uploading right now is in portrait mode. Pabarog. Portrait. Pabarog. Or if you try to do it in the editor, 4:3 ratio, mo na siya ang standard sa Facebook. Pero what you usually do if you try to upload a video na gapahigda or horizontal, naa siya black space sa taas ug sa ubos. For my videos, I also do that when I try to upload it in both YouTube and Facebook. But na ako i-add caption sa taas o caption sa ubos to take the space of the black spaces sa taas ug sa ubos. But it's really up to you. But what I really recommend if you try to upload videos sa Facebook is pabarog. Because it will consume the space that will attract your viewers. Okay, so that's tip number 6. Number 7. Start small and simple. Gadgets, editing, and followers. Of course, you always start small and simple. When I started, I always use phone lang to shoot. Also phone for editing, and then later on na nakay ka ng daghan followers, you try to invest on the gadgets. Then dito na ko ni swipe og kanang 2 years to pay na camera, which is the Fujifilm X-T100 entry camera for vlogging sa Fujifilm, which I bought from Henry's Camera sa Ayala. Shout out Henry's Cameras. But right now, I'm still using my phone. It's actually depending on the vlogger lang jud. If I try to shoot client videos, I use my Fujifilm or my GoPro. GoPro is very usable or very recommended if you're gonna use travel videos. Kay kanang uyog siya, nindot mo stabilize ang GoPro. If you want crisp and clear videos, mas recommended ang mirrorless or DSLR cameras. And of course, mga iPhones. Shout out sa mga ga-iPhone diha. Android na taon ko. I'm just a Huawei user, but nindot kayo akong camera, guys. I'm using the front cam of my camera right now. Phone na niya siya, guys, but it's still usable. Again, you don't need an expensive gadget for you to vlog. A simple phone will do. A simple phone can be used for shooting and editing, okay? Number 8. Enjoy the journey. Meet new people. Strangers become friends. Supporters, usually people you don't know. Yeah. So enjoy the process, enjoy the journey that you have when you vlog. Whenever you vlog, people are gonna watch you, people are gonna look at you, but at first you will be it will be awkward, but guys, try to make new friends when they watch you. I-introduce ang imuhang channel, so tagi sila og ganang unsa imong page, unsa imuhang channel sa YouTube. Try to introduce yourself to people who are looking at you because they don't know you at first. Di man ta parehas ni Boy Tapang, nila medyo maldito na mga sikat na igmakita. Hala, si Boy Tapang. Hala, medyo maldito, Beatmaster. Yeah, ilang subscribers is more than 100,000, 1 million. When you are growing, people don't know you yet. So it's your job to introduce yourself first to the people so that you will also gain the follower count, okay? So enjoy the journey, meet new people, introduce yourself, and have fun. Number 9, learn. So what I did is I learned from tutorials because I did not have a mentor. When I started vlogging, I tried to self-teach. So what I did, I went to YouTube, tried to research tips from fellow content creators, and also it's best to watch other vlogs as well so that you can get tips from them or somehow get styles from them. I'm not saying that you should copy them because of course being unique in the vlogging world would make you have a cutting edge from other content creators. But then again, if wala pa kay idea unsay buhaton, then watch videos from other content creators, then that will help you to get more ideas on how to create your first videos, okay? So get ideas and inspirations from fellow content creators. And last on the list, number 10 is support fellow content creators and join Facebook groups. So mo na ang akong last tip ninyo guys. I created Bisaya YouTubers Club because that was my main goal. I wanted to help fellow content creators who were growing their channels, growing their pages, and I knew for a fact that it was going to be difficult if ever you are still beginning pa. So, Bisaya YouTubers Club is a community of content creators who support each other. Ang uban man god, mustap lang sa sub to sub. And we don't encourage that in BYC. What we encourage in BYC is we share tips to our fellow content creators. We support the premieres, we support new uploads para pud na engagement sa new videos so that the platform like YouTube and Facebook would suggest your videos to other viewers who are not belonging in your reach or nasa inyong audience. So, those are the top 10 tips from me guys. If you have any questions about vlogging, feel free to leave them in the comment section of this video. And if you have a new YouTube channel or new Facebook page, congratulations to you. Keep up the good work and continue to love what you're doing. And for sure, puhon, same like me, your Facebook page will be monetized. And same as my fellow content creators in BYC, you will also have your own set of clients who will trust and support you in your vlogging career. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!